Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you would replace the low beam light. So the low beam light is behind this cover. We do have hopefully enough access to replace it without removing the whole headlight, but we got to turn that cover. Just unhook the electrical connector there, and now if we turn it a quarter turn to the left, you can be able to pull the light out. Now this light, when you replace it, it's an H11 or an H11H, and that's the light you would get to replace this with. And so you would take it again, you would take your new one and put it back in, and if you start at putting it in, the best is to put it in at the 90 degree this way and insert it in the hole, and then the tabs will line up, and then you're able to spin it a quarter turn to the right to tighten it in. Okay, so we've got it in there. If you kind of put your head down and look from the front, you can see that the light has been inserted, and now we've made the quarter turn to the right to tighten it in place. Then go ahead and connect the electric, snap that up and lock it in position. Relocate the cover here, and now we'll put this back on. In place, and a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. So that's how you replace your low beam headlight on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.